normality is equals to number of grams equivalent upon volume of solution, and this volume is going to be in liters or in dmq. Okay, now first let us understand what is number of grams equivalent. So number of grams equivalent is equal to given mass of solute upon equivalent weight, and this equivalent weight is equal to molar mass of solute divided by number of H plus or OH minus ions. If it is an acid, then it will have H plus, and if it is base, it will have OH minus. Therefore, I can say number of grams equivalent will be equal to given mass upon molar mass M2 multiplied by number of H plus or OH minus ions. Therefore, now formula for normality can be written as given mass W2 upon molar mass M2 multiplied by number of H plus or OH minus ions upon volume of solution, in liter or dmq. This can also be written as given mass W2 upon molar mass M2 multiplied by number of H plus or OH minus ions upon volume of solution. Now this volume I am going to take it in milliliters ml or in cm cube. So in the numerator I have to multiply by 1000. Now there is a question. 12.5 grams of H2SO4 are dissolved in water to form 1250 ml of solution. Calculate normality of solution. So here first H2SO4 on dissociation will give 2 H plus ions and SO4 2 minus ion. Then given mass over here W2 is equal to 12.5 grams. Then molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 grams per mole, and volume over here is 1250 milliliters. Therefore, normality will be equal to, instead of W2, I'll write over there 12.5 grams. Instead of M2, I'll write over there 98 multiplied by, instead of number of H plus, I'll write over there 2 upon volume, which is in ml, that is 1250 into 1000. And when I solve this, I get value equal to 0.204 normal.